Namaste, welcome to Sis Rekha's Kitchen. Today I am making tapioca carrot almond kheer. It is very nutritious and very delicious as well. To make tapioca carrot almond kheer, I have taken 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Heating it on medium heat. When the ghee is hot, add some cashews and fry them. When the cashews are 50% done, add the raisins also and fry them together. When they both are fried, transfer them into another bowl. Add 1 cup of grated carrot into the same ghee and fry it. You can add little more ghee if you need. Fry the carrot until it loses its raw smell. Then add soaked tapioca. I soaked 1/4 cup of tapioca. After soaking, it became half a cup. Mix it well and add 2 cups of milk. Let the tapioca and the carrot cook in the milk. Now the tapioca and the carrot has been cooked very well. I am going to add the almond. I am taking half a cup of almond flour in a bowl and adding half a cup of milk. Mixing it well and adding it to the kheer. Almond flour is available in many supermarkets in these days. If the almond flour is not available to you, you may soak a handful of almonds in hot water, remove the husk, grind them and add the almond paste to the kheer. The kheer will turn out very tasty and nutritious by adding the almonds. After adding the almond powder, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, scraping the edges in between. Add cardamom powder, mix it well. I uploaded a new very easy sweet recipe on my Telugu channel. You may watch that if you are interested. I will give the link below. As you can see, the kheer started thickening. Now we can go ahead and add the fried cashews and raisins. Stir it once and switch off the flame. After turning off the flame, add half a cup of jaggery. Sorry, the clip is missing here. Mix it well. After adding the jaggery, do not cook anymore. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please try this recipe and give me your feedback. I really appreciate if you leave me a comment. Please connect me on my Facebook.